Thanks for joining our presentation on Metric KNN is all you need. I am Tejas Anvekar and this work is a collaborative efforts of Ramesh Ashok Tabib, Dikshit Hegde and Uma Mudingudi. Current 3D deep learning frameworks are designed to extract features for downstream tasks such as segmentation or classification. These lack human perception and can be interpreted as a black box framework, whereas the human perceive 3D data in terms of three primitive categories: surfaces, edges, and corners. A simple notion is that if edges and corners are recognized precisely, we can create surfaces by simply joining the dots. In recent work, Christoffel symbol based categorization is interpretable, however, it struggles from scalability concern due to high computation time and has difficulty in achieving human perception. ABDNet is less time demanding than the prior work but has scalability and perception limitation. VGVAE is generalizable, robust, but lacks human perception due to canonical feature extraction. The fundamental reason that these models lack human perception is because semantic edges and corners are not taken into account during feature extraction. One observation is that present state of the art relies more on KNN graph for feature extraction. We reconsider including edge and corner awareness into KNN for feature extraction. KNN extracts nearest neighbor with respect to Euclidean distance, but human perception is all about selecting k nearest neighbors with respect to semantic distance. We propose to employ Minkowski distance to discover nearest neighbor in terms of semantic distance by recalibrating parameter r to be inversely proportional to the number of nearest neighbors. Metric KNN is an approach to find k nearest neighbor on semantic or topological manifold by introducing Minkowski distance. Metric KNN operates on any 3D point cloud, from detecting edges in a tetrahedron to extracting semantically identical points in an aeroplane's tails and wings. Metric KNN can be employed as a plugin to any deep learning framework such as classification, segmentation, to obtain topology awareness, interpretability, and human perception. Let's take Metric KNN on a test ride. We start with the architecture proposed by DGCNN. Each KNN is replaced with Metric KNN. The result is a simple architecture with topology aware edge convolutions. We can observe that Metric KNN variant of DGCNN learns topological features for a given point cloud like edge, corners, and surfaces. Another interesting observation is that Metric KNN variants learn the same feature as we progress further into the model. This suggests us to improve the model by eliminating deeper layers while preserving the model precision and making it more efficient. We are interested in seeing how Metric KNN variants perform on downstream tasks such as classification on ModelNet 40, part segmentation on ShapeNet, and denoising. We observe from the experiments and the stats that by extracting topology aware features, Metric KNN outperforms the base models. Finally, we conclude that Metric KNN is a simple method to achieve topological neighbors for semantic feature extraction. It enables interpretability in AI, it is very easy to use, and we hope that it inspires more research in this area. Thanks for watching. For more details, contact us at sevi@kalitech.ac.in or feel free to visit our project page.